LG CNS has an amazing portfolio of smart factory technology that we're bringing to market for the first time in the United States, in North America. This show gives us an opportunity to show the world what we have and all of our capabilities. It's like we're announcing that we're here. We are ready to help you with your manufacturing needs.
I think LG CNS has done a very good job of understanding the market as it exists, understands how to scale globally and meet customer needs in many industries. We've got really innovative solutions, and they're going to allow you to operate better in your day-to-day life, save dollars, save efficiency, and find ways to improve your business.
젠 AI 기반으로 한 사고 신고 앱과요. 팩토박 컨트롤 같은 경우 저희가 라이브 데모를 진행했기 때문에 반응이 좋았습니다. 특히나 현장에서 어떤 식으로 실제로 사용할 수 있는지를 확인할 수 있었기 때문에 관람객들의 반응이 좋았습니다.
For this one, new things for me, because you guys integrated AI to analyze the data collected per the machine to ensure that, let's say the machine operating at good temperature, or if there's some overheating. Just want to learn more about this.
All of our software is tested and running major factories in North America. In fact, running factories all over the world. So we're not a new player in software. We're just a new player with our brand in the market. And we are excited to bring all of this know-how and technology to this market.